Hi, this is John, West Coast Connects. We reached out, spoke with you the other day. In fact, April, I think, spoke with you. Promised this free video. I wanted to keep things really short and sweet. Just want to show you 3 tips that you can do to really maximize your traffic online and build up that customer base. And all I ask in return is that you send me some feedback, whether that be via email, text, phone call, anything would suffice. I just would love to get your thoughts. And just to clarify, these are actual things that you can do to really, grow and build. So, with that, I'll get started. My first tip, jumping off the page, obviously, when I look at your site, is that for some reason, Microsoft servers here. I'm not sure what the reason is for that, but getting a site up and running and making sure that it has that information is super important for a couple reasons. One is that when somebody searches for something, so I'm looking at water damage within the greater Miami area, and as you can see here, 2,800 searches a month for water damage in that area. There's a ton of people searching, and what Google wants to do is they want to put companies they trust in front of that volume because they want the people that search on their site to find the information they need. So having a website where people can get the information on your services, on what you do and how you do it, and pair the supply and demand is super important. So having that website super important there. It also adds authority to your site. So the second reason why it's important is it gives you not the authority to your site, authority to your business. It gives your business that authority that you have that digital real estate, that you are a legit company, and it gives people a peace of mind. It gives them that information and that stuff that when people search and they want to find information about different companies, there are companies out there that have Facebook pages and they're on Yelp or directory sites, and that's it, and there's very limited information about those companies. Having a website just adds authority to your company, so really important to get one up and running. Excuse me. My second tip would just be to really build and grow up this GMB. So you have a 5-star rating, 60 reviews, amazing. But when I look at water damage restoration Miami, you guys don't show up. And being in these top 3 super important. And the reason for that is because there's when people do a search for, say, water damage restoration, the first thing that pops up is these GMBs or these ads, but then it goes right into these GMBs, which is the top 3. Obviously they have a ton more, there's a ton of locations, but the top 3 in this particular given area, and they can pull up to 40% of the traffic. So if you're looking at this particular keyword has 250 searches a month, if you're looking at potentially 100 searches a month going right out the door to these GMBs, which is a great thing for you to have. If you have that, if you have your GMB, you're getting traffic to your site. And really, it's another tool. It's like these ads, right? You can spend money and get ads, and really what's going to happen is it's just tool to get traffic to your site, and so that you can really be, you can really grow and build your site up with that traffic. It's just another avenue. Obviously, you want to rank organically. You want, if you get your GMB in this top 3, you're going to get traffic that way. And if you have the time, the money to run ads, it's just more ways in which to do it. So a lot of ways to get traffic to your site, and a GMB is such a useful tool that a lot of people don't really take advantage of. My third tip would just be to strengthen up your site when you do get it. So, this particular domain, it actually is ranking in 24 keywords, and looking at what it is, a lot of them is anchor, water restoration Miami are on the 4th page. So some of these things, you're kind of water extraction Miami on the bottom of the 4th page, Miami water damage, middle of the 5th page. So there is some volume being looked for and searched for that you're ranking for, but it's just kind of low. And how you build that up is through these referring domains, right? And what these referring domains are is that if you've ever been on a website, basically that's what a referring domain, it refers links to another website. So, if you've ever been on a website and you've clicked on a link and it's taken you somewhere else, that's a backlink from the referring domain or from a website referring it somewhere else. And that's really, Google wants to see that your site is strong and that you're interconnected with a lot of different sites, and that's how you build up your power. And this is the numerical value of your power. And just to show you kind of your competition, so if I scroll down, listed number one for this particular keyword is BMS Cat, and they're a national company. They have places throughout the country. But looking at their site's pretty strong. This particular backlink, they have 37 referring domains sending 112 backlinks, and they're ranking on 64 keywords. So this is kind of where you want to get to. And if you look at the stuff that they're ranking for on the first page on a lot of different things, water damage Miami, water damage restoration Miami, water damage restoration Florida. So they're doing a really good job here. And this is kind of where you want to get to. So I hope this has been informative and helpful. If you'd like to reach out, get more information, please feel free. My calendar's in the email. I also have my phone number. Feel free to email, text, phone call, and set up a time to talk on the calendar, if you will. So, with that, again, I hope I've been helpful. Have a great day, and God bless. Bye.